It is common knowledge that the construction industry is growing every single day, and with that comes a rapid increase in demand for pipes and fittings as well. Because the more property is built, higher the need for effective plumbing and drainage systems grow. And if you are one of the many businesses distributing pipes and fittings, or have been planning to start a new dealership business in the field, then you need the right pipe brand as your partner. Why? Because choosing the wrong pipe brand can cause you a lot of problems that can hinder long-term business growth immensely, thus holding you back from moving ahead of your competition. Some of these problems include excessive inter-brand competition, poor margins, supply issues, issues with product quality, inadequate sales support from the company, lack of branding support, and ignorance towards customer complaints, among many others. And when any of these requirements are not fulfilled, it can lead to poor return on investment, reduced customer satisfaction, and slow business growth overall. But do not worry, because Ajay Pipes is the answer to all your problems. We are the most trusted and reliable partners for high-quality plumbing products that will give 100% satisfaction to all your customers and take your business to the next level. Our amazing products will not only give your business a strong brand image in the market, but also provide up to 50% return on investment and allowing for a whopping up to 50% business growth every year. What makes us different from other piping brands is our collection of value-added services that we provide to all our distribution partners, in addition to our premium products. This covers everything from multiple dealership models and investment brackets to choose from, reduced inter-brand competition, direct sales support, counter-promotional activities, fast services from either nearby location, quick issue resolution support, plumber-friendly products, and much more. The best part is that you will find the complete range of plumbing and drainage pipes and fittings for all your customers' needs under one single brand, including new generation CPVC pipes and fittings for hot and cold water, high-quality UPVC pipes and fittings for cold water, superior SWR pipes and fittings for internal drainage, and foam core pipes and fittings for underground drainage. In fact, in the last 56 years of being the oldest PVC pipe ISI license holder brand across India, we offer India's most certified 1750 plus products with 15 Indian and American certifications and approvals after having them successfully tested for 101 critical parameters. These products carry many unique features that give them enhanced durability, superior performance, and make them easier to install. With 5 state-of-the-art manufacturing plants located on 2 continents, 6 overseas offices, and 9 warehouses across India, we are able to manufacture and export our products to over 32 countries globally. While our customer service team of 132 plus field employees spread across India enables us to respond to requests within 4 hours of generation. Together, our team has completed plumbing and drainage installations in 1400 plus residential projects, 110,000 plus individual houses, 142 plus hotels, 63 plus hospitals, 210 plus industrial locations, and has trained over 53,000 professional plumbers so far. These projects include some of the biggest names in the industry like Tata Housing, Taj, Hilton, Adani Group, DLF, and many more. Let us show you what our customers are saying about us. And now we invite you to get on board with the best plumbing and drainage brand in India. To know more about us, visit www.ajaypipes.com or get in touch with us today.